And well, the UN has also warned that the LET could target India yet again. LET is still very active and there is real risk that the terror group may target India again to increase the tension between the two neighbors. This is what a top UN official has said today. Remember, LET tactic is quite obvious and is trying to increase the tension between India and Pakistan at a time when they and their associates are particularly under pressure in Western Pakistan. Mahrukh is now with us on the phone line. Mahrukh, can you share with us some more information about this latest warning from the UN?
Well, Harishi, it's very clear from what the UN official Richard Barrett has told Times Now. In fact, has made a statement, not exactly to Times Now, but to agencies. And the latest that we've got is that in terms of this particular statement coming in from the United Nations, it's very clear that Lashkar terrorists are facing tensions in Western Pakistan, especially after the offensive by the Pakistan Army in the Swat and Fatah region. This has been because of the kind of pressure that is coming in from Washington, and because of which the Lashkar terrorists are increasingly, as Times Now has been reporting on the channel almost constantly, the fact that Lashkar terrorists have been facing the kind of pressure that they have in Pakistan. And even on over the weekend on Saturday and Sunday, we played out an exclusive interview of a Lashkar terrorist where he made it, he in fact revealed the sinister plots of the Lashkar terrorists, the fact that at least 15 of them were being trained in Pak-occupied Kashmir to attack the Bagleha Dam in Jammu and Kashmir, apart from a large number of other terror plans that they have in the country. Not just that, they're even trying to build an underground tunnel to Sialkot to make sure that they're able to infiltrate even in larger numbers to India. So all this, the statement from the United Nations official Richard Barrett comes after all these revelations have been made on Times Now by a Lashkar terrorist himself. So clearly the fact that they're facing pressure, army pressure, and the kind of offensive that we've seen from Pakistan against terrorists, they are increasingly finding themselves isolated and trying to make sure that they in fact increase their terror activities in India.
Right, Mahrukh, thanks for that information. In fact, we will give you more on the latest